Tastes great, even light.
Okay. Bad like that, you know. But I'm the one that ease your pain. I know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan. For those of you that are new, and for my returning Kinfolks, what's up? So you guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog. But it's only the weekend, okay? I am so sorry I have not picked up the camera to vlog at all this week, but I did film a lot of content, okay? So I wasn't on here, but I was working, you feel me? But yeah, how y'all been? How y'all been? Okay, y'all, so right now I am headed to go and get my nails done, and then after I get my nails done, was thinking that maybe I wanted to also go to Cinnaholic, but I think I'll wait until I pick up the kids to go and do that, because I think that they will enjoy going into Cinnaholic and picking out a cinnamon bun and all that fun stuff. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, I guess, yeah. That's all we got going on for this Friday, okay? I'm just running a couple of errands, doing a couple things, and then heading to the house and relaxing for the rest of you know, my Friday night. I think the only, like, for real interesting thing that we were gonna do is just go to Cinnaholic, because baby, them cinnamon buns tastes great, even light, okay? But y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that little bell on the side so that you can be notified each and every time your girl drops a new video. And yeah, let's go ahead and get to this thing. Okay, you guys, shout out to my girl at the K Nail Bar. Actually, it's just K Nail Bar because it's just one person. It's just her. So y'all make sure y'all go to her Instagram, show her some love, and also, you know, book your appointment if you are in Atlanta and you're just looking for a dope nail tech. She always hooks me up with, you know, a good set. It never leaves my fingers, you know, hurting or anything like that. And then y'all know I love my nudes. But after getting my nails done, I did have to get my toes done. Oh, and I do apologize to y'all for the camera glitching, but yeah. So after getting my toes done, y'all know I just went back to the house and chill, and then I picked up the kids, and then, like I told y'all earlier, I've been craving some Cinnaholic. So we came over to the Cinnaholic over in Midtown. There's two locations. There's one in Peachtree and there's one in Midtown. We came to the one in Midtown this time just because it was a little closer to home. But y'all, they had some really good combinations, and if there was something that you liked and you didn't see, you know, you could tell them, hey, you know, can you add this or add that? But y'all, the cinnamon buns were bussin', and of course I had to get some of the classic buns too. Jeez, y'all, it was a good night for us, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog.
Mom, see my day done. Mom, see my day done. He's jumping.
Yeah, he is jumping. That's so cool. All right, you guys.
Now, red. Now,
So cool.
now red.
Okay, I see his legs. So, yeah, I am getting ready to cook us some breakfast. And I have to go to the grocery store because I think I want to cook dinner tonight. I've been craving some tortellini, so it seems easy enough to make. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do that. But, yeah, before I get into all of that, I'm going to start off with breakfast. So we're going to go ahead and get breakfast going, and then, yeah, I'll check back in with y'all here in a few. But listen, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that little bell on the side so that you can be notified each and every time your girl drops a new video, okay? And, all right. So after cooking the house some breakfast, okay, and like as y'all can tell, your girl can whoop it up in the kitchen, okay. But anyways, y'all, after I made breakfast, we went ahead and got dressed for the day and went to the grocery store. Okay, y'all. So I am making. Why isn't this focusing? I'm not making cake. I'm making tortellini. So let's get the materials for that, okay? I have some of this stuff at home, but it is. Okay, y'all, so these crazy kids and I are back home. They are eating popsicles, and I am actually getting ready to clean the inside of my car and vacuum it and everything like that while they ride their bikes and ride, their little electronics and soak up some of this sun, because y'all, it is so nice. I don't know if you can see it all on my skin, but it's real nice. So I figured I'd just take some time to just hang out with the kids, let them burn off some energy out here. They woke up asking to ride their bikes, and I'm like, it's sunny, it's not raining, you might as well, it's Sunday. Okay, I don't know. Okay, anyways, let me go ahead and get to doing what I'm supposed to be doing as far as cleaning stuff, because clearly they're doing the most. Currently looking. Y'all, these kids don't care. They don't care. They don't care. I mean, like, this isn't as bad as it was the last time, but it's still pretty bad. Okay, y'all, so after I cleaned the car, cleaned the garage, did all my cleaning, Cree and Kai was with us as well, but he kind of fell asleep in the back seat by the time we got to the car wash. So I ended up letting my youngest hop in the front seat, and we really just, went through that car wash. I guess it was a front row experience for him. And before y'all come for me anywhere, no, I did not let my kids sit in the front seat driving to the car wash and leaving. I am not that kind of mom, but when we got there, I definitely always allow one of my kids, if not both of them, to hop in the front seat and enjoy the experience of the car wash, because it's cool. When I was younger, I enjoyed the car washes, so I figured, why not allow my kids to also enjoy that experience? So it was really cool. It was really fun for him. Y'all, it was a good day. That's what I'm gonna say. Okay, you guys, so after going to the grocery store, going to the car wash, cleaning my car, it's now time for me to go ahead and get started on this dinner. Now, I just found this recipe on Pinterest and it looks really good, and I always love me a good pasta, so I was like, let me go ahead and try this tortellini. As y'all can see, this meal doesn't require much except for, some ground beef. So right here, y'all can see that I am browning the ground beef. And while that's doing this thing, I went ahead and got started on cooking the tortellini noodles. And while those noodles were doing their thing, I decided to go ahead and first I cut up that cream cheese. I cut it into fours, and then I went in and opened up my pasta sauce and added that to the ground beef that I was browning. Okay, so after the ground beef and the sauce is all mixed together doing its thing, I then went in, added the what's it called the cream cheese blocks that I just cut out, and I just let that melt down into the pasta sauce and the ground beef just so that it could make a nice little sauce that okay. And while that was doing its thing, I went and checked on these noodles. It was my first time making these types of noodles, these tortellini noodles, but they said to make it just like you make noodles, except for have these al dente, which is not too soft but not hard, because we still have to bake this dish right here. But after the tortellini noodles were done, of course, I drained them and then added them to the pasta sauce that I had cooking. And y'all, let me tell you, it's already looking good. It's already looking, smelling, and feeling good at this point right here, y'all. But after everything was mixed and cooked down and doing its thing, I went ahead and added it to an aluminum pan, and I believe I preheated the oven to 350. And then while the oven was preheating, I went in and added all of my cheeses on top. This one right here is like a Parmesan mix, an Italian mix, because guess what, we are making an Italian dish. And then I went in with some mozzarella cheese, okay? And I didn't use a whole lot of mozzarella just because I did not want to be gassy having a whole lot of cheese, but my kids love cheese. So it was enough for them, and it was just over the top and definitely enough for me. But yeah, you guys, after we added the cheese and everything, we went ahead and popped this bad boy into the oven. And when I tell y'all, it came out looking fire. Look, you can see it's all nice and brown at the top, not too much, not too less. It was really good, y'all. This dish right here, I would say it is a smooth 7 out of 10. So I'm not sure if there's something that I would try again, just because it was a bit cheesy for me, but my kids really enjoyed it. They enjoyed it a lot. So this is something that I would suggest for you guys to try, but personally, yeah, it was a bit much for me. But if you like cheese, go for it. But anyways, you guys, thanks so much for watching today's vlog, and I'll see y'all next week. Peace.